I'm LashGo. Hello. Hello there. How has your day been? I know the light's not that great right now, but there's nothing I can do about it. I'm sorry. Got an unboxing, so let's get straight into it. I'm excited. Yeah. Let's do this. It's probably for one car. A big box for one car. Okay, they've put a checklist in there. It's my Camaro. They sent me a checklist of something. Mystery cars. There's some quite nice ones in there. So that's it, guys. I am looking for another one of these so I can unbox it. Alright guys, please subscribe, the bell button, like, comment, and tell me what you want to see more of. Alright guys, I'm LashGo. Stay awesome, stay cool, stay super cool, mate. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Bye.